Want to get instant AI assistance, find prospects, and transform your content without leaving evyAI? Here's how to use the AI chatbot feature. To begin, open evyAI and click AI chatbot from the left menu. You can also access the same AI chatbot from the evyAI side panel by clicking the chat icon. Once the chat window opens, enter your request. For example, you can ask, "Who is the best target market for my SaaS business? Help me create a LinkedIn networking strategy." Write a LinkedIn post about business networking. For best results, give the AI clear context about who you are, what you do, and what you're trying to accomplish. And click Send. The AI chatbot can answer questions, generate content, provide recommendations, and help you develop outreach strategies. It can also work with evyAI's prospect database. For example, you can ask, "Find CEOs in New York with a LinkedIn profile and email address." The AI will automatically build the search using available prospect filters and return matching results. As you continue the conversation, the AI remembers the context of the current chat, allowing you to refine ideas and build on previous responses. For example, after generating a LinkedIn post, you can ask, "Turn this into 5 social media posts." Create 5 new hooks. Convert this into a 30-second video script. The AI chatbot can instantly repurpose and improve your content without starting from scratch. To access previous conversations, click the Show Conversations icon. This allows you to reopen and continue earlier chats at any time. To start a new conversation, click the new chat icon next to it. You can also explore additional chat workflows and prompt examples inside evyAI community to help you get even better results. With evyAI, you can access AI-powered assistance, generate content, research prospects, and get answers instantly.